In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove item in American Eagle 2026 step by step. If you've added something to your bag and changed your mind, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to take it out quickly and confidently. I'll keep things simple, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you know what to expect on both desktop and mobile. Start by opening the American Eagle website in your browser. If you're already browsing products, you're in the right place. For the smoothest experience across devices, it helps to be signed into your account so your bag stays in sync, but you can follow along even if you're shopping as a guest. From the home page, look toward the site's header. You'll see the navigation across the top with categories like jeans, tops, and new arrivals. Focus your attention on the upper right area of the page where your account tools live. In that top right corner, locate the shopping bag icon. It typically looks like a small tote or bag and may show a number indicating how many items you've added. On mobile, this icon is usually near the top of the screen as well, either in the header or accessible from the menu. Click the bag icon to open your bag. This takes you to a summary view of everything you've added so far. Take a moment to browse through the items listed there. You'll see the product photo, chosen size and color, price, and quantity, along with your estimated subtotal. Find the item you want to remove. Right beneath that item's photo, look for the option labeled Remove. It's a small link or button positioned under the thumbnail image. Click Remove to take that item out of your bag. This action targets only the selected product, so the rest of your items will remain exactly as they are. Once you click Remove, the item will disappear instantly from your bag. The page will refresh or update automatically, and your subtotal and any promotional thresholds will adjust to reflect the change. If you were close to a shipping offer, keep in mind that removing something may affect eligibility. If the bag doesn't update right away, give the page a quick refresh and check again. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and if you're switching between devices, confirm you're signed in so you're viewing the same bag everywhere. That's all there is to it. Open the bag, review your items, click Remove under the photo of the product you no longer want, and watch it disappear from your bag instantly. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!